excited, but he joins PSG in this save. Alexis McAllister is Liverpool's first confirmed summer signing, and what a last 12 months he's had. Winning the 2022 World Cup with Argentina and playing a key role in Brighton's European qualification. Following a 10-goal, 2-assist Premier League season, I'm shocked that he only left on a $35 million transfer fee, as several clubs were interested in his signature. I think that goes to show the appeal that Liverpool and Jurgen Klopp have on players. We're going to replicate that $35 million transfer fee in this save, as McAllister's valuation is only set at $27 million. The rest of these summer signings will be limited to transfer rumors, starting with Khéphren Thuram. The son of Lilian Thuram, the youngster is quickly becoming one of the most sought-after midfielders in the world, currently competing with France at the Under-21 European Championship. He predominantly plays as a number 8, but can also shift to a more defensive role. With high work rates, though, it's no surprise that he can get forward and contribute to the attack. It's still up in the air how much Liverpool would need to spend to bring in Thuram, but we're again going to replicate that $35 million fee, slightly above Thuram's evaluation of $34 million, as he's got the exciting prospect status. Fans have been asking Liverpool to bring in more center midfielders, and this could be the summer that sees them acquire multiple targets. Manu Kone is another French center midfielder competing at the Under-21 European Championships, and many believe that he is outperforming Thuram at the current point in time. His 2021 move to Mönchengladbach has done wonders for him, as his valuation has skyrocketed despite Gladbach not having a great 22-23 campaign. With experience in Liga and the Bundesliga, perhaps the Premier League could be his next move. A lower transfer fee here as Manu Kone signs on a $25 million deal. Another player with the exciting prospect status, as his valuation is set at $20.5 million. Let's not forget about defenders, and left-footed defenders in particular. Mickey van de Ven will be our next transfer target. Another player that has had a fantastic last 12 months. His move to Wolfsburg in 2021 didn't see him feature a lot, either due to not being selected in the squad or injury issues. But towards the end of the 21-22 campaign, he started to become a more regular part of the Wolfsburg team. He carried that forward to last year, where he made 30-plus appearances. It's going to be a battle for Liverpool to finalize this deal, as Spurs also have interest, but we managed to bring him in on another $25 million fee. This should put us clear of a total net spend of $100 million this summer, as Van de Ven is showing great potential with a $19 million valuation. There are some decisions to be made about what role Trent Alexander-Arnold will play in the Liverpool squad. He's become more of a center midfielder for the England national team, and that is exactly the sort of role I'd like to have him play in this save. The difficult part in doing so is that we need to bring in an alternative right-back option. Some reports linking Kyle Walker to Liverpool. A more suitable transfer target, in my opinion, would be Benjamin Pavard. We did receive some amusing transfer offers, though. If Chelsea were to ever submit a bid over $100 million for Mo Salah, I think Liverpool would have to take it. Let me know in the comments section whether you would accept this deal. On the other hand, I think it's highly unlikely that Liverpool would let City sign Alexander-Arnold for just over $100 million. We will see one departure from the club, Nat Phillips joining Augsburg on a $5 million deal. And with James Walker unsettled, it's time for him to get promoted to the senior squad. He's up to a 72 rating at right wing. Before the Europa League, our round of 16 fixture will pit us against Ajax. They, of course, are a top team with some high potential players. Plenty to choose from, but I've gone with Steven Bergwijn, an 81 rated left winger that just